Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of are doing great and very fantastic. So as usual, we will practice today a new topics as we do every day. And this is our 11th English spoken session, and today's topic is the importance of friendship in our life. So let's start the video. So friendship is one of the most important things in our life, because a good friend is like our family member, as we stay out of home in many times. So that's why friends is very necessary in our life. Without friend we cannot live a better life, because friends help us in many ways. Like whenever we need any help, we need money, we need health support, we need financial support, anything we need, that time friends only one who support us, who help us, right? And whenever we feel very sad, friends only one who support us, who help us, right? And whenever we feel very sad, whenever we fall any trouble, that time just friends, a good friends come and help us. A good friends make us smile, make us happy in our sad life, in our hard time. That's why in our life friends is a very important. And when we need any kind of help in our life, that time only friends come and help us. So that's why in our life, in our daily life, friends is a very important word. You should choose friends very carefully, because in a friendship trust is a very important things. Without trust you cannot share all the things with them. So you should make friendship with whom you trust most, because with friends you share all the things, you can share all the things. So that's why truthfulness, truth or trust is very important in our friendship. In conclusion, or if I say in a short word, that friendship is very important in our life, because it gives us help, support, it makes us smile, it makes us happy when we need, whenever we feel any trouble, whenever we feel very sad, that time friends come and make our life happy. That's why we need a good friend. Without friend life is a barren field. You can say life is an empty field without a good friend. So we need a good friend in our life, and you can make more than one friends in your life. It's not countable, it's not specific that you should make friends only one. You can make many friends, just you need to trust them. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And we practice every day, and we will continue this practice session for 1 month, and it can be extended after 1 month. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.